MCAT, organic chemistry. A functional group is an atom or a group of atoms which defines the function or the mode of activity of a given carbon compound. And so again, a functional group is an atom or a group of atoms which is defining the function or the mode of activity of a given carbon compound. So here we have the name of a functional group, its structure, and then the corresponding class of compounds that it's in. So hydroxyl is one type of functional group with this structure, and its corresponding class of compounds is the alcohols. Then we have carbonyl with this structure, which goes along with ketones. Then we have carboxyl with this structure, which is in the carboxylic acids. And then amino with this setup right here, which is its corresponding class of compounds is the amines. And so these are all groups of atoms that are defining the function or the mode of activity of a given carbon compound.
To find out more about how to ace your test and get more practice for your test, click the study guide. Learn why Mometrix is the best and smartest decision you can make for your test prep choice. We have done all the work cutting through the fluff to give you what you need to perform well on your exam. Click the study guide to get started now, and thank you for watching and learning with us.